Okay, welcome to the tutorial for managing the website for Ashanti Coffee Port Elgin. In this tutorial, we'll go over a few items. Number one, logging in to the administrative end of the website. Number two, adding a new special item on the home page. Number three, changing the pricing on the menu. Number four, adding a new item on the menu. And number five, deleting items from the menu. All right, so we'll start with the first one on how to log in. So when you open the website ashantiporalgan.com, this is the home page. The login page link is at the very bottom of the website. So if you go to the footer of the website, there is a hidden link down here. Uh, no matter who opens this link, you would still require a username and a password. So your administrative end is always safe and secure. So I'm going to click on Ashanti Coffee Port Elgin, Ontario, and that's going to take me to the login page. And I am going to log in using the provided username and the password. And I'm going to hit login. And there you go. You have logged in, and that's the end of the first item. So when you log in, you would see a black administrative bar on the top, which would indicate that you have logged in to manage your website. Okay, so we'll go to the second item now for the tutorial, which is adding a new special item. So the special item is for this section of the website with the current specials. So once in a while, when you create something new and exciting for your customers to try, you could modify this section of the website with the details of the item and the picture. So we will go ahead and change this picture and change this text so that the customers, your customers, can see your new item. So to begin, once you have logged in, you have this top black bar. You click on enable visual builder. So now you are actually editing the design for the website using a visual builder. Okay, so you scroll back down here, and it's as simple as clicking where you want to change and modifying it. So we'll let this load up, and then let's say we change this to today's muffin. So just like a Word document, you can just highlight, copy, paste, uh, click, delete. This is a sample for a new muffin. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and change the picture. So if you double click on this picture, you would see the image settings box pop up, and you click on this image, and then you get an option of uploading an image or going to the media library and using uh, items that have already been used, uploaded before. So in your case, if you end up taking a picture of a new item with a phone, you would upload that picture onto your computer, and then you would go to the upload files section and find your file through here. But in our case, what I'll do is I'll use this muffin picture that's already been uploaded before, and then all you do is hit the green ticky mark, And there you go, you have your muffin picture, and then you hit this three dots purple icon, and then on the bottom right you hit on save. Okay, once it's saved, you exit the visual builder, and there you have it. Your website has been updated with a special item. Okay, so the third item we're going to do in this tutorial is how to change pricing for an item in the menu. So if we go to your menu item, suppose we want to change the iced coffee pricing from 310 to say $3. So just like before, enable the visual builder, and then we go down to the section that we want to change, and then all you do is just click backspace and type 3, and then three dots again, and bottom right save, and there you have it. You have updated the price, and then just like before, you exit the visual builder. And now your menu will be updated with the new price. Okay, number 4. Section number 4 for your tutorial is adding a new item on the menu. So suppose we want to add a new cold drink at the bottom here, or it can be in between. It can be anywhere you want to add a new item. So you enable Visual Builder as before. So you let the Visual Builder load up, and then click on this gear icon. So what this does is it opens up the table with all your items. So as you can see, there is no more rows after the last item. So to add a row, you just put your cursor where you want the row, and then you can use these quick buttons here. So if you just hover your mouse over it, it'll tell you what it does. So insert row after, insert row before. So if you click on insert row before, it's gonna insert a row in between the lemonade and the Arnold Palmer. But we're gonna add the row after. So there you go. And then you just type new cold drink. Just like a Word document, you can format it the way you want. Typically, you right align this item and you left align the pricing so that they are kind of next to each other. So for the price, I'm going to say $2. And then you hit the green ticky mark, and there you have it. You have your new item, and then you click save. And then just like before, you exit the visual builder and your new item has been added to the menu. Okay, the last part of this tutorial is deleting an item from the menu. So what we'll do is we'll go back to this item that we just added, and we will delete it out of it. So it can be anything. If you want to delete iced tea, for example, if you want to delete iced latte, if you want to delete lemonade, it could be anything. So as before, you enable Visual Builder, you scroll down to the item you want to delete, You click on this gear icon, which is for this, and then you just go to the row you want to delete. You put your cursor there, and you can either hit you can either hit delete row from this, or you can also go up here to the table option, and you can say row delete row. And if you look down, that row has gone. So now I hit the green ticky mark, and you can see it's all gone here. Now you gotta save our work. So click on the three dots, hit save, and exit Visual Builder. You got it. Okay, there you have it. So we've covered a few things in this tutorial. We covered how to log in, how to add a new special item, how to change pricing on the menu, how to add a new item on the menu, and how to delete an item from the menu. For any other questions, feel free to contact Full Web Solutions. Uh, and yeah, they should sum up the tutorial. Thanks for watching.